Here's how you can use VersaBuilt standard multi-grip workholding for a 5th axis part. In the first op, we will use our universal off-1 jaws and our 3-axis vise and cut out our dovetail to hold in the second op.
Behind my back, you can show me how the odds are up.
Then, we grab the part with our second op dovetail jaws and transfer onto our 5th axis vise. In the second op, we will carve out the shape of the part, leaving small strips of material that we can break the part out of. In an upcoming video, we will show you how we machine this part.